In today's video, I am going to show you how to create the perfect IGTV background for your Instagram videos. If you're new here, consider subscribing if you would like more videos on branding, graphic design, mindset, and business. Okay, so in Canva, the first thing that you want to do is create a new design and make sure that design is 9 by 16 in dimensions. All right, so once you have this is what's going to be your background, okay? Now, what's going to show on your Instagram feed is actually going to be a portion of this. So to make sure we design within the right dimensions, next we want to go to Elements and Lines and Shapes. Go ahead and select a square, okay? And drag that square from the corners to keep the dimensions, and make sure it goes right to the edge of your canvas. All right, and that should already be centered, but if not, you want to make sure it's centered. Okay, so this area here, the gray area, is what's going to show on your Instagram feed. So that's the area we're going to primarily focus on. So let's go ahead and add our video on top of this so you can see what everything looks like. All right, so this is what we'll focus on. If you want to add a title to your video, you will go ahead and do that now. Okay, now you want to make sure that stays within the square, because if it's not in the square, then it's not going to show up on your Instagram feed, and it also won't show up while your people are scrolling Instagram. They won't see it. It'll be cut off. Okay, so there that goes. You can change that to whatever color you desire. And then at the bottom here, I'm going to add my at name. Again, making sure that it's within the gray square. And we're going to add some fun designing to this. Some branding to this in just a second. I just want to show y'all what it should look like to make sure that it shows up correctly on your feed. Okay, perfect. So this is what it will look like. Same thing goes for if it was this type of video. Okay, so let's add some colors and fun to this. So now you want to add a background. You can go to backgrounds right here on Canva, and you can just pop in something in the background. I am going to even add like some floral print that I have from another template that I've used before. This is just a part of my brand. All right, and I'm going to send that to back. There we go. And then for the square part, I want to add like some cool gradient. So over here, I'm going to go to gradient to transparent. That will bring you a gradient where you can actually change the color. And here we go. Again, keeping it within the square. I want, instead of purple, I want the brown color for my brand. And I want to send backwards. So there we go. And then instead of having the gray, which is hideous, whoops, I want that to be white. Gotta move all of this out the way. Okay. White, and then I want it to be a little bit transparent so my background can kind of show. Okay, there it goes.
As an expert, it is your...
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like this video, and if you have any comments, leave those below. If you would like to see something else, let me know. I love creating these videos and would love to create something next that you want to see.